To add some bright orange color into your traditional Tet candy fruit tray, why not give this candied carrot recipe a try?
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
First, peel and trim the carrot, cut into thin slices in flower shape. For every 500 grams of carrot, you will need 150 grams of sugar. Toss well and leave to sit for about 3 to 6 hours until the sugar dissolves. Then drain the sugar syrup into a large wok, add sweetened condensed milk, and cook over high heat until it reduces. When it slightly thickens, lower the heat and add the carrot slices, a little bit of salt, and mix well. Stir constantly over low heat until the sugar crystallizes for about 30 to 45 minutes. Spread out on a baking tray and dry in a heated oven at 80 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes until it's completely dehydrated. That way we can store it longer. Make sure you store the candied carrot in an airtight container. It can last for about 1 to 2 weeks. Good luck with the recipe and don't forget to follow my channel for more traditional Vietnamese dishes. Thank you for watching. Chúc mừng năm mới. Bye bye.